So, what if our dietary guidelines are completely wrong? Let's explore a pretty radical new vision. So, why the big push for change? Well, it all starts with a pretty scary prediction. The WHO is projecting a massive 77% jump in new cancer cases by 2050. Staggering. But here's the thing. Almost half of those cases, they're linked to preventable lifestyle choices. So the proposed solution is pretty wild. Just flip the food pyramid completely upside down. Instead of grains at the bottom, this new pyramid puts animal protein right at the base. So what's out? Pretty much all junk food, soda, and those industrial seed oils. Okay, but that brings up a huge question, right? Aren't saturated fats supposed to be bad? Nope. This model says to embrace fats from animal sources, butter, even ghee. And it gets even more interesting when we talk about another health food staple, fiber. This is controversial, but it claims there's no real proof we need fiber for our health. And the surprising takes on plants don't stop there. Let's talk about beans.
The argument is that we think of them as protein, but beans are mostly just carbs.
And this chart really shows the difference in nutrient quality and how our bodies use it. Basically, your body just can't use as much of the protein from plants as you'd think. And a big reason why are these things in plants called anti-nutrients. These can actually block nutrients and cause irritation, even when you cook them really well. Which all leads back to the pyramid's main idea. Animal foods are the superior nutritional source. The thinking is they give you complete nutrition without any of those plant-based problems. But this isn't just about your personal diet. The vision is way bigger than that. The goal is to totally change things like school lunches and official public health guidance. So it leaves you wondering, could a change this huge really transform public health?